What's up YouTube? In this video we are going to have a little bit of fun. We're going to have a little combination. So let's dance together. Before I teach you, we dance together. Please hit like, subscribe, follow, and then I will teach you. Are you ready? Okay. Alright, let's go. So the first things first, I just want us to go straight into it. So please warm up first. I have warm-ups on my channel, so you can go and check that out as a warm-up playlist actually. So go and do that first and then come and do this, okay? First movement first, we're going to do 4 struts. So ideally, good ankles, like a catwalk, like a supermodel. You're going to cross the legs forward, okay? Just have a little practice of that. Hands on your hips, always be a superstar. You can be Shakira if you want. It can be you, it can be whoever you want, but just come forwards, okay? Catwalk, 6, 7, let's go. 1, 2. Catwalk is when the leg slightly crosses the other, yes? So I don't want you to walk like you're walking to work, you don't want to go, or you walking to the bus stop, no, you'd be supermodel, okay? 5, 6, 7, so it's cross, cross, cross. If you've got bad ankles, of course you can do it on flat feet, okay? Use your hips with belly dancers. So, off we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and it's 1. Let your shoulders go if you want. 5, 6, and if you want, you can flick your hair. 1, 2, 3. I love to flick my hair, personally. Flick my hair all day, every day. Ready? Faster. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to flick your hair, flick it. If you want to keep your hands in the hips, put your hands in the hips. If you want to put them somewhere else, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, don't stamp. No stamping, okay? One more time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, we're going to do face aside slightly and chest lifts. It's going to go up, 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 up. Use your back muscles, really squeeze, up, up. You can consider this to be drum solo technique, where you're really learning how to isolate from the inside out. I teach you that in my school, and my style is really modern. So I teach you modern belly dance style or modern drum solo, my style. Okay, it's like pop, pop. It's like something's here, it's really hot, and you touch it and you go, ouch, ouch, it's really hot. Okay, so up, 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 up. If it helps, you can imagine your chin, your chest is going to touch the chin, up, up. Keep the belly strong, squeeze the belly. Okay, posture, hips down, shoulders down, long neck, up, 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 up. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to have drop, 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 drop. If I face this way, let's try it. This hip's going to drop, and you're going to squeeze this bum cheek really hard. Okay, so it's drop, 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 drop. Keep going. Drop, drop. So if you dance properly, or you belly dance properly, and you dance the way I teach you, which is to dance really from the depths of your body, you're really, really doing great things for your body. Doing a lot of toning and working out without having to go to the gym. And I shouldn't say this, but I hate the gym. I hate it. Alright, but anyway. So, dancing your way into fitness and strength and toning up your muscles is effective if you do it properly. Make sure your supporting leg is bent, yeah? Never lock it. Drop, drop. 1, 2. Okay, so let's do 4 and 4. Slowly first. We have got 1, 2, pop, 4, and then drop, drop, 2. Now you might get confused because we're popping up with the chest, going down with the hip. You might want to go up, up instead. Doesn't really matter if you do. 4 and 4, okay? 6, 7, and pop, 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 drop, 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 pop, 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 drop, 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 drop. Let's go slowly from the beginning. Ready? 5. Pick your walk, walking or flicking or posing or whatever you want. 5, 6, 7, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands for the pop will be here. Pop, pop is like, oh my god, oh my god. And then when you drop, I'm gonna tilt up, twist, tilt. hand, and look. All of that in one swift motion though, like that, okay? Drop, 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 drop. Pop, 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 pop. It's like your chest is going on a trampoline, okay? Boing, 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 boing. Drop, 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 drop. Okay, from the top. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? And then 5, 6, 7, 8, we're going to add on a vertical circle. So you're going to do let's just face the front for a second. Make sure this knee stays bent. Your hip's going to go forward and back in a twisting motion. And your twist has to come from your waist. Okay, from your waist muscle, squeeze the belly. And my hip is going towards my belly button and back. 1, now, forward, back, forward, back. Keep this knee bent. Make sure you're not twisting from your knees. Ready? So it's forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Now forward, hold, 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 up, hip lift, back, hold, 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 down. So we're making a circle like this, okay? Forward, up, back, down. Forward, up and back and down. Forward, up and back and down. And go. And don't sit. Use your muscles, use your muscles. So in my school, I really teach you how to use your muscles a lot. For me, it's the best way to dance. You'll always make progress, but you'll also be toning and training the muscles. You'll be able to go much, much further in your dancing if you learn how to dance from inside, which is what I teach you in my school. So come and train with me. It's much more fun than just staring at me on YouTube. I talk to you. Yeah, so you can train with me on Zoom or in studio, in person, or private lessons as well. Over and around, over and around. Let's do 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, so we're gonna go from the top. Let's go from the isolations first. So you've got pop, 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 drop, 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 circle. Yeah, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Drop, 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 circle. From the beginning. Choose your arms. Nice and slow first. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boing, boing, pow, 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 pow. Yes. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Again. 5, 6, 7, and it's 1, 2, 3. Supermodel. And up, 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 and boom, 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 boom. Tack, 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 tack. Tack, 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 tack. Tack, 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 tack. Yes? Okay, final bit. No, let's go a bit faster first. So option 1, hit pause and just do it again a few times that speed, or hit rewind. Otherwise, now we try it a little bit faster, which is going to test your brain a little bit, but we try. So 5, 6, 7, hey. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it small. Drop, 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 drop. Round. In, out, in, out. It's quite fast, huh? One more time that speed. But you can always go slow. You can always rewind and go slow until you're ready to go fast. Ready? Keep it small. 5, 6, 7, and flick. 2, 3, 4. Up, 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 up. Drop, 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 drop. Circle. 2, 3, 4. Squeeze, squeeze. The last move will be a dramatic drop. So make sure you do this on bent knees. I'm going to go down my arms, so my arms are going to go like this. Cross, and I move my hair out of the way by doing this, okay? So my arm's going to cross, and they're going to come up like that. As I do that, I drop, and I come up. Drop, and come up. Okay, ready? So let's go again from the beginning. Nice, and let's go slowly first. 5, 6, 7. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, it's pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it, it's drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, it's roll it, 2, 3, this is really slow, in, out, drop, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we'll finish with a shimmy. That's a shimmy. Okay, arms are your choice. You could totally just stay here and do the shimmy like this, or you can do your own arm movements. You can follow mine if you like. Do whatever you like, whatever you like. If you are a belly dancer already, maybe you want to do some layers. If you want to do some layers, go for it. Otherwise, just do your shimmy. Okay, let's go. One more time. No, let's do it to speed now, because you can always rewind it and go slow as often as you like. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, pop, 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 drop, 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 drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, in, out, drop, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, shimmy, shimmy, and 5, 6, 7, and ready, 5, let's do 2 more, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, pop, 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 drop, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, tap, 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 ra, ta, 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 shimmy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and my belt is falling down, 5, 6, 7, 8, last time, 5, 6, 7, keep it small, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 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 down, 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 around, squeeze, squeeze, ra, ta, 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 shimmy, shimmy, and shimmy, keep shimmy going, roll your shoulders, if you can't, if you're brand new, maybe you just want to do shimmies, otherwise you can put your arms in. So last minute or 2, we can keep the shimmy going, come on, option 1, follow my arms, option 2, no arms, option 3, do your own arms, yeah, go, ha, 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 3, 8, 7, come on, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Thank you so much. I hope you had fun. Please hit like and subscribe and follow to stay up to date with all my releases. I hope to see you one day on Zoom or in my classes to teach you properly in person, whether that's on Zoom or real life in the flesh. Okay, take care anyway. Bye.